today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can view your followers on your Facebook. So it's pretty simple. After opening Facebook, just click on menu at the bottom right, and then at the top it's going to show you your profile picture along with your Facebook name. Click on it and it's going to take you to your Facebook profile. Now once you're in your Facebook profile, at the top it already shows me 3 followers. I can click on that 3 followers and it's going to show me the people who is following me. Just make sure you're on the followers section. If you're in the following section, it's going to show you the people you follow, but if you're in the followers section, it's going to show you the people who follow you. That is one way. The other way is when you're in your Facebook profile, just click on the 3 dot at the side and click on where it says activity log. Inside activity log, you can see this option called connections. Click on connections and click on where it says manage followers. And once you're in manage followers, at the top you can see the option called filters. Click on filters and click on where it says category. And on categories, you want to choose people who followed you. Once you click on people who followed you, it's going to show you the list of followers you have. Now I only have 2 followers, that's why it's only showing me 2 names, but if you have tons of followers, this place is going to be filled with followers name. Alright, but yeah, that is how you guys can view your followers in Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos just like this related with Facebook. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.